अखंड राष्ट्र के रूप में भारत के निर्माण में सर्वप्रथम अपनी रियासत सौंपने वाले जनप्रिय राजा कृष्ण कुमार सिंह जी का शहर यानी भावनगर, भावनाओं का नगर और सांस्कृतिक धाम रहा है भावनगर। सदियों पूर्व समुद्री व्यापार वाणिज्य के क्षेत्र में गतिशील इस नगर और जिले के बंदरगाह समुद्री व्यापार व्यवसाय के जरिए दुनिया भर के देशों से जुड़े हुए थे। इसलिए ही तो यह कहावत मशहूर है कि लंकानी लाड़ी ने गोगा नो वर। सांस्कृतिक एवं ऐतिहासिक विरासत को सहेज कर रखे हुए इस जिले में गोपनाथ का समुद्री तट, वेड़ावदर कालियार नेशनल पार्क, विक्टोरिया गार्डन, संत बजरंग दास बापू की सेवा भावना का प्रतीक बगदाना और किसी दौर में सौराष्ट्र का कश्मीर कहलाने वाला प्रखर रामायणी संत मोरारी बापू का गांव महुआ आज भी दुनिया भर में भावनगर की कीर्ति पताका लहरा रहा है। इतिहास की धरोहर में विशिष्ट पहचान रखने वाले भावनगर के खाते में आधुनिक युग के विकास के कई नए आयाम और उपलब्धियां दर्ज हैं। अलंग का शिप ब्रेकिंग यार्ड, सेंट्रल मरीन सॉल्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट एवं डायमंड कटिंग एंड पॉलिशिंग के क्षेत्र में सूरत के बाद दूसरे नंबर के शहर का गौरव प्राप्त करने वाला भावनगर आज वैश्विक विकास नक्शे पर उभर कर सामने आया है। मुझे विश्वास है कि भावनगर की ऐसी अनेक खूबियाँ से देश एवं दुनिया के लोगों को एक क्लिक से परिचित कराने में यह वेबसाइट सक्षम माध्यम बनेगी। इस वेबसाइट के लॉन्चिंग के लिए जिला प्रशासन को अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन। जय जय गरवी गुजरात, जय जय गरवी गुजरात।
भावनगर, खुशबू गुजरात की। Situated close to the Gulf of Cambay, Bhavnagar was founded by Bhav Singh Ji Gohil, who was renowned to be a prosperous and thriving port. The district cradles the culture of the state that is represented in the various tourist destinations. Gauri Shankar Lake is a beautiful lake between small hills. The intricate lattice work on the walls of Ganga Devi Mandir fills a feeling of awe in the spectator. Gandhi Smriti is a memorial with a library of Gandhian books and photographs about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Barton Library speaks of the cultural and chronological significance of Bhavnagar. Alfred High School is one of the oldest historical colonial buildings in Bhavnagar. Takhteshwar Temple is a white marble temple on a high plinth, offering a commanding view of Bhavnagar. Victoria Park, the lungs of Bhavnagar, an oasis of green trees in the middle of urban Bhavnagar. It is the biggest forest reserve in the city area, providing healthy and purified air in the city. The architecture of BAP's Swaminarayan Mandir is splendid and will leave you spellbound. Neelam Bagh Palace is now also a Heritage Palace Hotel. The salt works have created an important habitat for wetland birds. Lock Gate, the first of its kind in India, is very useful to keep ships afloat during low tide. Goga, a small fishing village and a great place to enjoy. Ro-Ro Ferry, one of the finest projects initiated by the government of Gujarat. Peram Bait, this great historic island is where you can locate natural wonders and rich flora and fauna. At Kuda Beach, life is different. The Golden Sea Beach at Hattab will set you free. Nishkalank Temple is buried inside the sea. The sea water recedes only for a few hours. The Alang shipbreaking yard is the biggest in the world, recycling about 50% of the salvage ships of the world. The Talaja temple is built on a 350-foot high volcanic hill. It has around 30 ancient Buddhist caves cut into the rocks with perfectly identifiable carvings of Bodhisattva. Gopnath Beach offers colorful bird life, limestone cliffs, a sea breeze and scenic views. Enjoy the pleasurable sea breeze and breathtakingly beautiful views to enthrall yourself. The birthplace of poet Narsingh Mehta. At Zanjmer Beach, smell the sea and feel the sky. Malnath, surrounded green cover of nature, makes it the most popular tourist destination for trekking. Bhavnagar district has a natural corridor for Asiatic lions. Shatrunji supplies drinking water to Bhavnagar. Palitana, an important place of worship for Jains. See the majestic, appealing Jain temples of Palitana, where existence of 836 temples boosts up the holiness of the region. Velavadar provides immense satisfaction to the wildlife enthusiasts. It preserves the unique ecosystem that supports the grasslands and is also home to the rare blackbuck species. Sihor is the erstwhile capital of the Gohil Rajputs, is surrounded by hills. Major points of attraction in Sihor are the 12th century Brahma Kund, a step tank surrounded by idols of Hindu deities. The another archaeological ancient site of Saat Sheri, a mountain top or a mound. Hodhia temple was associated as a place of worship for Highness family. Mahua is addressed as Kashmir of Saurashtra because of the scenery around. The coconut tree plantations add to the beauty of the town. Tourists also enjoy at the beach of the city. You can leave the sea beaches, but the seashore never leaves you.